Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for spending, excuse me, a little bit of your time with me. Today I have a follow-up to my Dollar Tree shop with me. I actually have a little haul that I'd like to share with you. So if you want to see what I picked up at the Dollar Tree, please keep on watching. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right in. So to begin, I picked up this Canada Day sign. Well, Canada Day, or you can pretty much use it whatever time of year you like. I say Canada Day because it had the maple leaf here, but again, here in Canada, our flag has a maple leaf, so you can really use this any time of year. I like it because of the background. It has like that distress barn wood. And I like that it says home. I'm loving the font, and of course I'm loving the red glittery maple leaf. And I plan on personalizing this, and this was $1.25. That's what the items cost here in Canada, is $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and couldn't leave this one behind. It's so pretty. I picked up some of this cotton lace trim. And again, I'm using this for a project, and I just thought it was so pretty and delicate. And there's 3 pieces here, and they're slightly different. Some are scalloped edges, and you can see it just reminds me of my grandmother's crochet. So pretty. And I'm just pulling out of the bag. This is in no particular order. I picked up some of the plackers. If you watch my hauls, these are my go-to, as well as the AIM from Dollarama. There's 60 dental flossers in here, and these are in the minty flavor, and I absolutely love these. They are a repurchase. Oh, and here is another one of the lace trim. I just thought these were so pretty. I picked up this tea towel, and these colors match my kitchen. It says enjoy every moment, and again it's just a gray with black font and some accents of white flowers, and my kitchen is stainless steel, and which is the gray, and there's accents of white and black, so I thought this would go nicely in there. And again, I plan on personalizing this. Picked up one of these magnetic notepads. It reads hustling all day, every day, morning, noon, and afternoon. And I just like to have these on the side of my fridge to write groceries or just little reminders for myself. So, and I love the colors, very summer-like, and that's why I picked it up. Picked up one of these facial scrubbers. There's 2 pieces in here. It reads that it deeply cleans and massages, and I'll use this in conjunction with my daily facial wash, the one that I use. If you watch my empties videos, I use the Tea Tree by the Body Shop, and along with this, I think it will give me that extra deep cleanse. And it's just a silicone brush, and that's how it is. So you hold it in between your fingers, and I will be sharing this with my sister because she was actually looking for one of these at Winners, and there were a lot more at Winners. Mind you, the quality might be different, but overall I think it will do what it's intended to do. Picked up one of these self-adhesive protecting pads, and again, this is for a project I'll be working on, and I need these. Just picked up one of these plain white mugs, and I just like the way it fits nicely in between your hands, and I like the shape. And again, you guessed it, yes, I'll be using this for a DIY. I picked up one of these by the Forever in Time piercing and scoring tool set, and I primarily picked it up for the piercing. It says it's fine and medium point needles, and I'll be using it in conjunction with my Cricut machine for weeding, so we'll just see if that works out. And for $1.25, you can't beat it. I picked up one of these cutting boards. It's just a plain white transparent cutting board. And this is made specifically for Dollar Tree because you can see here it's the Greenbrier brand. So again, I'll be using this for a DIY. Picked up one of these display easels, and this is just the matte black one. And these are one of the larger ones. So I picked one of those up. I picked up some of these cotton puffs, and these are perfect. I mean, there's 300 in here, and what I use these for is for my wax melter. Anytime I want to switch up the scents, wax can be messy if it's not handled with care. So all I do is I put either 1 or 2 cotton balls in the wax, and the cotton ball absorbs the wax, and I just toss it and it's ready for a new scent. So that is what I use it for. And for $1.25, it, you know, just the fact that it's mess free is good enough for me. I was so happy to find these. I picked up one of these decor pieces. What do you call these? Is it a hexagon? I don't even know what you call them. And it's silver, which matches my decor. And I think this would be a cute accent piece. Again, it's by the Greenbrier brand, but I thought it was just super cute. And you can certainly spray paint it if it doesn't match your decor, but I thought this would be a cute accent piece. And along with that one, I also picked up this one, more of a diamond shape. Again, silver, which for me, I'm glad because it does match my decor. But again, if it doesn't match yours, you can certainly go ahead and spray paint it to a color that matches your decor. And I thought that was so, so cute. I also picked up one of these decor pieces. It's black with the gold arrow. Now, gold doesn't necessarily match mine, but I can certainly paint that silver or white, or just leave it as is. I'm sure I can find a place where it would match, or make for a cute prop. If you're on Instagram and you like to, you know, take pictures and post them, this would certainly make a cute prop, as would these. So I picked that one up. I thought it was so cute. And for $1.25, I mean, if you bought something like this at HomeSense or Marshalls or Winners, it would cost you a lot more than $1.25. I just thought it was super cute. I picked up some of this burlap ribbon. Again, these are for DIYs. I picked up 2 of those with the lace detail in the center. Super cute. And in these, there are 9 feet. And you could use these, as it says, either for scrapbooks, gift bows, crafts, decorating. But so, so cute. I'm not sure if this is wired or not. No, I don't think so. Also picked up a roll of this twine, and there are 65.6 yards or 60 meters. I thought this was cute, this 2018 little graduation sign. You can see the little graduation hat there, and you can, you know, put a picture on there. I thought that was really, really cute. I also picked up one of these scoring tool sets. I just like to have this in my craft room. And this is great for scoring, folding, embossing, burnishing, applying rub-ons. And it comes with 2 pieces. And it's by the Forever and Time brand. And last, but certainly not least, and you've seen these time and time again, I picked up some of these solar stake lights. And these say that they're new and improved. And I'm not going to show you all of them, but I did pick up 10 of these. Here's one. I started removing these stickers. Excuse me. But you can see here it says that it's improved quality and it's a brighter light. And supposedly you're just supposed to remove that. Make sure when you do purchase them that they have all these on here. Sorry about that. And then when you cover it, you probably can see it. I can here. Let me just see if I turn off the flash, whether you'll be able to see it a little bit better. But if I cover, because this is the solar panel there, and that's what charges the battery. If I cover it here, so you can see it there. It's already charged a bit. Can you see that? That is off and that is on. And obviously you'll be able to see it a lot better during the nighttime. So I did purchase 10 of them. And here I just wanted to show you how it looks outside. I think it gives it just enough light and it's ever so pretty. Anyways, that was my Dollar Tree haul. I think I found a few things that are worth sharing, so I hope you enjoyed it. I did mention previously that I'd be tacking on a Dollarama haul because I did take you to Dollarama with me as well, but I think this is a long enough video, so we'll be saving that for another video. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by and spending, again, a little bit of your day with me. I really do appreciate it. And like always, I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone.